In this video, I will show how to upgrade Ubuntu on an Amazon Lightsail instance. Let's go to the Lightsail dashboard, search for Lightsail, click on the Lightsail link. We have one Lightsail instance, click on it. This Lightsail instance is running Ubuntu 20.04 and it will reach end of life on April 2, 2025. After Ubuntu reach end of life, you won't be getting any security updates, so you have to upgrade the operating system. Before we do the upgrade, I will take a snapshot. Click on the snapshot link. Click on the create snapshot. Here you can enter a name. I will leave the default one. Click on create. AWS is taking the snapshot now. If you have any problem during the OS upgrade, you can create a new instance from the snapshot and point the IP to the new instance. The snapshot is now completed. Let's connect to the SSH. Click on connect. Use your browser. Click on connect using SSH. It will open terminal in a new window. Let's become user root. The command is sudo su. Before we can do the release upgrade, we need to run apt upgrade and install all available packages for current Ubuntu version. apt update. Next, we need to run apt upgrade -y. During the upgrade, this terminal may fail. In that case, you have to use SSH client like terminal on Linux or putty on Windows to connect to the server. Let's connect using terminal. The command is ssh root @IP address. I have passwordless authentication enabled. The package upgrade still going on. The package upgrade is completed. We need to reboot the server. The command is reboot. Here we have disconnected from the server as the server is getting rebooted. Let's ping to the server. By default, AWS Lightsail disable ping. So let's go to the networking. Here we don't have ping enabled. If you want to ping, you need to enable it. From protocol, select ICMP. This is all ICMP. Click on create. That will allow you to ping to the server. We are getting response. That means the server is back online. Let's connect back. SSH root @IP address. Now the Ubuntu 20.04 is upgraded with the latest packages. Next, we will upgrade to the next release, that is 22.04 LTS. To do that, you need to run the command do release upgrade. This need to be run as user root or with the sudo. Run the command do-release-upgrade. Since we are upgrading using SSH, it will open another SSH daemon on port 1022. Do you want to continue? To continue, type Y and press the enter key. It will also open the port in the firewall. This is the firewall inside the server. You also need to open the port in the Lightsail firewall. Press enter to continue. Let's open the port in the Lightsail firewall. Go back to the networking. Add a rule. The default rule is custom and protocol is TCP. Then enter the port 1022. Click on create. Here it is asking for some confirmation. Some third-party entries in your source.list were disabled. You can re-enable after the upgrade with the software properties tool in your package manager. To continue, press enter. We have another prompt here. Installing upgrade can take several hours. Once the download has finished, the process cannot be cancelled. Do you want to continue? Press Y to continue. While the upgrade is downloading these packages, let us verify SSH can be connected using the new port 1022. Copy the IP address, take a new terminal, SSH p, specify the port 1022, then root @IP address. I am able to connect with the SSH port 1022. It is asking for another confirmation. There are services installed on your system which need to be restarted when certain libraries such as libpalm, libc, and libssl are upgraded. Restart services during package upgrade without asking. I will select yes and press enter. Let it restart whatever it needs. It is upgrading the packages. It is asking for postfix configuration. I am not using postfix on this server. I will select the default option. And there is a conflict with the configuration file etc monit rc. To see the difference, we can press D. This is the default file, so we can accept it. Press Q to go back to the previous screen. I will accept yes. Remove obsolete packages. 88 packages are going to be removed. Let's remove it. System upgrade is complete. To finish the upgrade, a restart is required. If you select Y, the system will be restarted. Let's type Y and press the enter key. The server is rebooting now. Let's ping to the server IP to see if it is back online. We are getting ping response. Let's try connect using the web SSH. We are connected to the server. The operating system is Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. You can also verify with the command sudo lsb _release -a. We are using Ubuntu 22.04. Let's refresh this page. This warning is still there. You don't have to worry about that because your operating system is already upgraded to the next version. That is Ubuntu 22.04. Thank you for watching. Hope you find the video useful. If you like the video, please subscribe for more videos like this.